Hello, my name is Samantha. This is my presentation called Analyzing Mass Media and Popular Culture. So we're going to talk about a magazine that I chose. It is a Cosmopolitan magazine. It is from June 2019, so it's this month's edition. We're going to talk about a particular demographic, which are females. Just by looking at the magazine, you can tell that this is probably going to be directed towards females. It's about astronomy, fighting acne, stuff on sex, stuff about guys, will you accept these bros? All dude bachelor watch parties, so it talks about men. Okay. So underlying messages that I found throughout the advertisements in this magazine were about beauty, natural or naturalness in appearance as well as in food, and youthfulness, and then forgetting about your monthly gift. Okay. So the first ad that I saw was for European Wax Center. So they do waxes. I wanted to note that it says beautiful skin twice, with beautiful skin, as well as at the bottom, revealing beautiful skin. So the theme of beauty is already there. We also want to notice that the model has very tan skin. There's definitely a difference in colors between the white clouds and her skin color. Also, the term nothing is a chore. And realizing that she looks like she's doing laundry. So those are all important things that I noticed. Okay, and the next advertisement, which also kind of talks about beauty, is this ad for Jergens. There's a few things where it says Jergens right below. It says, let your beautiful shine. Also in the ad, it says, you create your own sunshine. There's stuff about flawless, stuff about color, stuff about glow, all stuff we can see. Okay. And therefore, it really kind of points out that beauty means having hairless, tan, and shiny skin. The ad says that when this is achieved, you create your own sunshine and nothing is a chore. Okay. So create your own sunshine. I thought about empowerment. I've thought about the empowerment of women, and maybe at first it seems like we're talking about feminism, but I don't think we really are. Feminism is the study of gender with the goal of changing society to make women and men equal. And this is distinguishable from the empowerment of women. I think that these ads are more directed towards the empowerment of women because they're directed at women. But perhaps they could actually dive more into feminism. Maybe they want men and women to create their own sunshine. Perhaps men could use this self-tanner. Okay, and then nothing is a chore. I feel like this is the reinforcement of gender roles. Gender roles are the expectations regarding proper behavior, attitudes, and activities of males and females. Females are often seen as the ones who perform the household chores, and so this advertisement suggests that women are still the ones who have to complete these chores on an everyday basis. Okay, and then moving on to the theme of natural. Just by in appearances, the self-tanner is called Natural Glow. And then this other advertisement called, well, it's for hairspray. It's called Love, Beauty, and Planet. And this hairspray says it's powered by air, not greenhouse gases, to make you feel like you're not contributing to the carbon footprint. Towards the bottom, it also says 94% naturally derived, no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, and yes, vegan and cruelty free. Those are all on the bottom if you really can't make them out. But still the same, the idea of being natural. And then also in your food, natural bliss. It's the coffee creamer, but it's also focused on natural and simple ingredients. So you can see also made with simple ingredients, farm fresh milk and cream, pure cane sugar, Madagascar vanilla, and then it's 100% awesome. This advertisement for cat food, naturally crafted, naturally delicious, never any artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Okay, so same thing, natural, natural. And then this last one for cheese, made from milk without the added hormone RBST. Well, who really knows what that is, but you know that it's this idea of being natural. Also in that very fine print next to the cheese, as well as on the cheese, packaging says natural cheese, and that fine print somewhere in there also touches on natural. Okay, so I wanted to talk about material culture here. Material culture is the physical or technological aspects of our daily lives. An example of material culture would be food items, such as the cat food and the coffee creamer and the cheese. Material culture also reflects a society's technology or knowledge that people use to make a way of life in their surroundings. I thought this was really important because it says that we rely on material culture to dictate what way of life we should have. And so this advertisement really suggests that people create a natural way of life and appearance and in their foods or the foods that they give to their animals. And I thought that this really touched on the idea of being vegan. Even in the hairspray, it said yes, vegan. And in the coffee creamer, you saw that they don't only have coffee creamer with milk in it, they also have coffee creamer with almond milk in it. Okay. And then the next theme is youthfulness. So we see this ad with Jennifer Aniston, who, by the way, is about 50 years old. And she is the face for an advertisement that talks about youth. And I think that's really strategic. But anyways, you see here youthful, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, younger looking, absolutely ageist. Okay, so we'll talk about the life course. Societies organize the life course by age and thereby given a status. Status is a socially defined position within a large group or society. One person can hold more than one status at a time. This advertisement either suggests for people to break from this age-related status or to be more mobile in terms of status. Be older but look youthful because youthfulness is more desired. So I think the strategy that I referred to was Jennifer Aniston is in a social class of being older or out of her youth, and yet here she is looking very youthful and using this product to make her look more youthful. Okay, and my last advertisement that I wanted to show you was about kind of ignoring the fact that women have a period or a menstrual cycle. The ad says zero feels like nothing. So it's almost suggesting that you won't even have to know you're on your period. And I think this touches to the power of peer pressure and conformity. So if you don't want to know that you're on your period, why would others? Or is it the opposite? Others don't want to know you're on your period, and so therefore you're not going to share that. And I think that touches on the concept of conformity, the act of matching attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors to group norms. While having a period is a normal occurrence for females, it is mostly considered abnormal to state or demonstrate when an individual is having their period. Therefore, advertisements suggest in order to conform to others in everyday situations, we should feel like we're not having a period at all, just as we would if we weren't having one on any other time of the month. Okay. And here are my references. So I used the book and used this Cosmopolitan magazine. And that is the end. Thank you.